Today we're gonna cook a French omelette with ham and feta cheese. We need 4 eggs, ham, feta cheese, oregano, pepper, salt and olive oil. So first we have to prepare the eggs. We put all the eggs in a bowl. Like this, and now we have to put the salt. 4 squeezes, 1 per egg. Also the pepper, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 little spoon of oregano. If you have a blender, you can put the eggs with the salt, the pepper and the oregano in the blender and mix it during 1 minute. The eggs are ready, so we put the ham and the cheese in the mix like this. We mix everything with a fork and we wait 15 minutes. We will use a non-stick pan and also a dish of the same size. We're gonna add olive oil and now we're gonna add the mix. We distribute all the ham and the cheese and we wait 1 minute. After 1 minute, we do the other side. Ready to eat. It's perfect for dinner. We're gonna try how it tastes. Mmm.